Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter security section, go to the more settings, and here you have install apps from external sources. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install from the unknown sources. Let's select, for example, Chrome, and then allow app installs. And now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome. You can do the same thing to the other apps from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.